Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am.
Okay, but before that, I would like to ask you, do you have any family members here? Do you have any family members here?
No, ma'am.
Noah, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Um, my name is Shendel Katsingan. I'm married. I'm 34 years old. I'm from Philippines. Three kids and it's 16, 10, and 6 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
Birthday is August 25, 1990.
What is your height and
And
your weight?
height is 5'5" and weight 50 kilos.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
Chicanish background is second year high school level.
Second year high school. This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia? Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
My brother and five brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I'm as second to the last.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is 71 years old and senior citizen.
What about your father?
Father is 70 years old and senior citizen.
Okay, so please help focus to the camera, Shandel. So, what about your husband? How old is he and what is his occupation? How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
14 years old.
How old
And
is your husband?
40 years old.
And
Is
then
fish,
what is his occupation?
is a
Fisherman.
fisherman.
Okay. So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2011 to 2015 in the Philippines. In which place in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
General Santos City, ma'am.
General Santos. Okay, you worked there for 4 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in General Santos? What is your job there? What did you do?
My my asthma, my task, ma'am, is being
Okay, so what is your job there to your previous employer?
cleaning and cooking, ma'am.
And then, did you,
Laundry.
and then, ironing. Did you take your children or any elderly there? Did you take your children or any elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children? How old is the children that you take care?
2 years old.
One only?
Yes, ma'am. One only and 2 years old.
Okay. So after 2015, you are a full-time mother. You didn't have any working experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that are you ready to come and work here as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby or children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I try my ma'am. I try my best, ma'am.
Can you take care pets? Are you afraid of dogs or any pets or like cats?
No, ma'am.
So can you take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Shendel, do you know how to speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you don't know how to communicate with the employer, then that is the problem later. Okay?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm just nervous.
Nervous. Okay, so you must need to communicate with your employer later, yeah? Okay? Okay, so you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, and it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Always
just
remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. And you want what is the future best or better future for your children, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I
On your rest
understand.
day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are okay? Because after this, once you agree, once you come to work here, you no need to demand us about all these things. Ma'am, I wanted to hold my phone for the whole day. I want to go out on my rest day. No such a thing, okay? Because in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first place, in our initial interview, you already agree about our terms and conditions, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't
I
bring
understand.
what are you doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia. In Philippines, you can be the boss, but here, no. You need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to respect the employer. Any problem or any concerns, you inform the employer because you are the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness? Like if you miss your family. This is a 2 years contract. You cannot go back home. What will you do if you miss your family?
After in work, ma'am, I will call my family and present and watching.
You will call your family. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Shandel. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.